Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to tackle a topic that every parent can relate to: how to get your baby to stop crying. Trust me, we've all been there. Now, before we dive into the solutions, let's first understand why your little one might be crying. Babies cry for a variety of reasons, and it's important to identify the cause. Is it hunger? Maybe they need a diaper change, or perhaps they're just tired and need some rest. It could even be something as simple as wanting your attention or feeling uncomfortable. Tip number 1, the power of distraction. Babies are easily captivated by new and interesting things. So grab a colorful toy or make funny faces to divert their attention. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how quickly those tears turn into giggles. Tip number 2, the magic of music. Music has a way of calming even the fussiest of babies. So sing a lullaby or play some soothing tunes. Who knows, you might even discover your baby's hidden talent for beatboxing. Tip number 3, the art of swaddling. Wrapping your baby snugly in a soft blanket can recreate the feeling of being in the womb, providing them with a sense of security and comfort. Plus, they'll look like the cutest little burrito you've ever seen. Tip number 4, the power of touch. Gentle massages or a warm bath can work wonders in relaxing your baby's tense muscles and soothing their cries. Just be prepared for some adorable splashing. And finally, tip number 5, the importance of patience. Remember, babies cry as a way of communicating, and sometimes they just need a little time to express themselves. So take a deep breath, stay calm, and shower them with love and affection. There you have it, folks, our top tips for getting your baby to stop crying. Remember, every baby is unique, so don't be discouraged if one method doesn't work right away. Keep trying different techniques until you find what works best for your little bundle of joy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and hilarious baby moments. Until next time, happy parenting.